Hello and g'day, and it was a success. The chilies, we have actually got roots. Let's have a look. So if we have a look, yeah, so it worked. So I won't go through and show you them all. So what I'm planning on doing, I'm planning on grabbing, give me a tip. Yeah. I'm planning on doing, like, making something better and bigger, because it obviously works. So if it works, it's not broke, so I'll fix it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get this, I'm going to cut a whole heap of holes in it, put tiny little black pots in it. Once the pots are in it, then I will be back quicker than a flick, and I'll check it out and you can see it. Here's them all ready to go. I finished doing that, so that's all done. I've just drilled them in. I prepped the water, I pH down the water. The water got pH to 5.7, and I put some bloom chemical to help the roots root. It's just something I usually do when they're small, and that I did at 120 ppm. So yeah, not a great deal of chemicals. You don't need a great deal, so I'll do that and we can have a look at that. And I'm going to put something in there and you can check it out, and I'll be back quicker than a flick and you can have a look at that. Okay, so I've done them, transferred all them across. See there, that there, little apple tree there, it's still going, it's very small. But there's something else missing. What's missing? I think there's a light missing. We'll be back quicker than a flick. So here we go, all said and done. At the moment, these ones are okay out there. They're quite high though, so I probably have to give that a transplant and a swap. But yeah, that's what it looks like with the light installed and everything there. So what I did take these ones out. I'm going to clean that off, turn that off, because I don't need to use that yet. Yeah, because these are going in here. I think when it's time to actually harvest these ones, I will start the next seeding, so I don't need to start then until I'm planning on moving these out and some more. But I have got another tent ordered, a small little 60 one. Stay tuned for next week for that, and I will show you that. I did swap it, so I whacked the LED in there, so now it's about 200 watts. So now these will should grow, and we should be able to see the how good they work with the little fishies down in there. So they're still in there. But yeah, so stay tuned and we'll check all that out. So next week we'll see that. And what I'll do now is I'll throw another video up here and another video up here. Please check that out, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.